Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeffy and today we're going to be unboxing this ginormous box from BoxDog. This is a quarterly subscription box and it costs $40. This is a huge box, absolutely massive, super cute design, and the theme this month is supposed to be a journey to Japan. So I'm excited to get in here and see what treats we have. So every box comes with one vegan skincare item for your dog, and this month we got the eye and ear wipes. This is supposed to clean the teardrops from under your dog's eyes as well as the paws to keep it extra white and clean. So I will be gifting this to my dog's best friend who is a white dog because my dog is black, and honestly, like, these look really cool, but I just can't see a teeny little black dog getting much use out of these wipes. The next item we have is this beautiful velvet purple dog leash. It's extraordinarily soft and it looks like it's very tough, so this will be great. She has a female dog, so she will really like this. The last choice item that I have here is a box of paint pens, and I have actually received these exact paint pens from this company before, and I chose them again this month because these were such high quality. I cannot even begin to tell you how much fun these are to draw on white dogs with. You can make them very rainbow colored, and the colors from the pens don't really wear off onto your furniture or anything, so these are an incredible deal, especially with the $40 price tag on our box. I personally feel that these are worth at least $20, as well as the leash. So this is a great value box, even though they don't tell you the exact value of each item you're getting. So every quarter you will also receive 3 to 4 boxes of homemade dog treats. So I believe these are beef and carrot bites. Then we also have the gourmet fish cookie, and this has some really cute little like fish food type pieces in the back. Then we also have these large cookies. One of them accidentally broke, and these are the gourmet frosted bones. All of the ingredients are on the lid of this one item, so that's really cool. They tell you all the ingredients that are in the cookies you're getting. And Android really likes these cookies. He's a little picky when it comes to biscuits. If it's not milk bone, like, he doesn't normally want it, but he will eat these, especially when he has friends over. Then he definitely wants to eat these so no one else can get them. Well, that was an awesome box. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I definitely think we're going to be getting this one again. My dog definitely votes for us to get this box again. So hopefully you will be here for the next one. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. Bye.